Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X80 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down the notifications straight from the top, expand them, and locate the power saving mode. For me it's located on the second page and it's called exactly battery saver, and I have already enabled it. So if I tap on it right now, it will turn off. Now obviously you can see that by turning it on, it does turn on dark mode, and most likely also turns off high refresh rate. So if you're using like 120 Hz refresh rate, this will be turned off. And there's probably a couple other things happening in the background, but there we go. That's basically how you can turn on your power saving mode. Now once you're done with it, you can turn it off quickly by simply tapping on it once more like I just did. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.